That. Stop this rubbish.
Remember that this 2023 is Operation Cleanup. Every spirit of Christian leaders, 419 Christian leaders, all their 419ers and their evil that have been using to torment our people.
Chai, my people, it don't happen again. It don't bust. It don't scatter. Hey, area. Hey, my people, not be small something. No, make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listening to this one. No, hey. I know say most of una know this man. So one of this for my screen. Yeah, Ilena Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. My people, not be small something. No, Mathias Ezeaku don't blow hot at this Reverend Father. Not be small something. He say in a okite. Say this saga now, this ebule saga, all this saga of okite. Say this man bollat, he for come out, he can shook him out, come put. Say the time where he can set challenge, he can bet money and plot of land. May they can heal who blind and who they sick, my people. He said this Reverend Father say they not come out. Now this ebule matter, this saga where they go on social media. Say this Reverend Father say he boss come out, he can they talk, he can set his own ram again. Now then my people, Mathias for blow hot. Not be small something, may not come be say I too talk my people. I go live on a jejeje, mona for watch this video.
That. Stop this rubbish.
Remember that this 2023 is Operation Cleanup. Every spirit of Christian leaders, 419 Christian leaders, all their 419ers and their evil that have been using to torment our people, we are going to wipe all of them out this year with the truth, evidence, and honest. Yeah, I want to speak about this Reverend Father that came into the case when I give a challenge of healing challenge to all Nigeria criminal Reverend Fathers and pastors, including bishops, who are defrauding our people that the cripple has walked and the blind have regained their sight with the name of a criminal name called Jesus, created by our slave masters in Europe. This Reverend Father came out to talk chan, but without knowing that I have already studied all of them, know that they are all born criminals. Now, this Reverend Father then, he came to show face. I was waiting for him to give me time and date. He ran away. So now he's talking about Okite. I've watched his video severally, and I want to say something about it. Now, Reverend Father, you are condemning Okite in Igbo land. Do you know that you are the first person that started Okite in Igbo land? The Christian leaders, including you, are the first people that started Okite's practice in Igbo land. Now, look at what you are doing, Reverend Father. This fire you are putting for this new year, or this fire you are burning here, is there any Reverend Father or in London that brought the Christian to you, that set anything ablaze in order to attract miracle or blessing of the Creator or Jesus Christ? The answer is no. So you are on your kid. Is there any Reverend Father in Germany that did this rubbish in order to attract blessings for the German citizens this year, or change any situation in Germany this year? The answer is no. So you are on your kid. Is there anywhere Pope did it in Rome, the burning anything to ashes in order for the Romans, for the Italians to have another different blessing from the Creator that the Creator has never given to the Italians and the whole world? Is there anywhere any Pope or Reverend Father or sister or brother did it in Italy? The answer is no. So, Father, you are the founder of Okite. You criminal Christian leader are the founder of Okite in our society. You people started with olive oil. Where have you seen anybody on this earth, any Reverend Father, any pastor, presenting olive oil to their masses, to their citizens, to their church members, to change any situation or to heal any disease? It is you inborn criminals called Christian leaders in our land. Reverend Father, you are talking about Onyo Okite. The rosary you are praying is Okite. You don't need to practice all those blah 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 in order to bring change in human life. Human is a neutral body. A neutral body. Human is a human. Human beings need to do the right thing that they're supposed to do to themselves. It's only human being that will bless human being. Bam. It's only human being that will bring change in a nation, in the life of a human being. It's only human being that will kill human being. It's only human being that is made to bless human being, that is made to create something that will please human being. This car now is pleasing me. Made by man. Made by human being. Not rosary or burning on fire or kid. This aka here is you know, I'm benefiting from it. You know, it's pleasing me. Made by man. So if you are talking about Ndo Okite, you should as well know that you are father of Okite. I was in India. I was in abroad 2021 when I saw you in the street of Lagos scamming our people. I have been searching for that video. I want to dig it out. Please, you people should remind me the Facebook handle of this Reverend Father. Because where I saw this video, someone sent it to me on WhatsApp. Is a page written a heart of love or whatever. There is one Facebook page he was using with his original name. So remind me his name. Then I will go and look for that his original page. There you went to the street of Lagos where our people are doing business. You are there with your account number, telling our people to do transfer. And they are doing transfer into your account. That you are praying for their change. If you forget one, you are the father of all the Okite in our land. You are the father of all the Okite. You Reverend Fathers and the damages you guys have caused in Igbo land. Believe you me, by the time we finish waking our people up, you people cannot walk in the streets because people will be seeing you guys as a vampire. Nothing changed. You scammed our people with account number, calling account number, telling people to transfer. People, we are transferring the money. You will abuse the writing account, giving people. Then we abuse, you abuse their, you are getting the alert. You are receiving the alert in their presence. I will dig out that video so that we know that you are on your kid. Go and look for a job. Nigerian religion leaders, go and walk. If you find yourself today in United States of America, Reverend Father, can you practice it in California? Can you do that shit in Texas? Can you go about in the street of Texas telling them to pay into your account? They will call 911. They will call police for you. You know that? Your fellow Reverend Fathers in America are working twice in a day. But you lazy Reverend Father here, brainwashing our people, every spirit of power. Since you have been doing Dubai are still better than us. Egypt, you guys say that they slaved us in the Bible. They are still better than us. Moroccans, they are not Christian. They are still better than us. Indians are still better than us. Chinese, as these are people that are not doing, but we still depend on them to buy microphone to do, including the phone you are watching me. The phone you are watching me with as a Nigerian living in is made in China. Man blesses man. This world is, God created it equal. So Nigeria is our own portion. England is their portion. As I'm from Igbo now, Igbo land is my own portion as an Igbo. Yoruba is your portion as a, so it is left for me and you to develop our portion on this earth, not God. Germans are developing their portion. You go to Germany, you see a city like Hamburg. Hamburg are developing their city. Italians are developing their city. What are the Nigerians doing? Instead of you Christian leaders to stand up, fight our evil politicians, you guys keep on giving us myopic mind that there is Satan somewhere looking for our downfall. You are the father of Onyokite. I'm coming for you. See all of you, I'm going to face all of you squarely. Because I know when I don't get any power. Jesus know they do anything. Come to my office. Now me, they cure your Christian mothers and Christian brothers and sisters. Now me, they heal them. Through practical solution, made for it everywhere in the whole world. Pope have never practiced healing. It's only you people in the ocean. Stop that rubbish you are talking. You are the father of all the Onyokite. Keep brainwashing them. Keep brainwashing them and we'll keep on waking them up. But it pains me that you can only understand Eziokwu when you encounter reality. Once reality comes, now you will know the reason why Chinese produce dialysis machine, MRI test, all this big scan that is made to detect any fault we are having in our organs. You don't need it. Dialysis machine. Kidney failure transplant. Share this video. Let us get to him. He is the father of